There was a huge amount of excitement surrounding the 3Doodler when it was first announced on Kickstarter last year. That's because it's the world's first 3D printing pen. Now, our excitement has been turned up a notch as Wobbleworks, the brains behind the pen, let us channel our inner 5-year-old by having an early play with the first truly 3D sketching tool. The 3Doodler itself is pretty chunky in the hand, a bit like a novelty pen, but it still feels natural like drawing, and it works best when held exactly like a regular pen. Now it needs external power to work, but that's because it's heating up to around 200 to 250 degrees to get going, so you'll need to watch out for burning yourself on its nozzle, but before you panic, even clumsy creatives will feel safe using it. There are fast and slow buttons on the top edge to control how fast the ABS or PLA plastic comes out. To get going, you hold the fast button down till the plastic ink comes out, which is when you push it down into a bit of paper on a flat surface in order to anchor and thus begin your 3D sketch. You're then free to lift the pen and take the melting plastic wherever you want to go, watching it set as you go along. And it's incredibly fast, so you don't need to wait for your creation to catch up with you. It doesn't take much plastic. The red robot that was created for stuff took around 5 minutes and used only one stick of plastic inserted into the 3Doodler pen. The bonus of 3D printing this way is the ability to give your creations a quick hit of plastic to repair damage if something happens to snap off your creation, which is exactly what happened to our robot soon after making it. Now, as well as being quicker than 3D printers, you'll tend to create hollow objects rather than dense parts due to the nature of the 3Doodler process. It also means you don't have to contend with 3D modelling software to realise what's in your head. Now, we've got to say, drawing in the air takes some getting used to. All we managed to produce was an abstract swirl on our first attempt, but we reckon the learning curve won't be too steep, and we're more than willing to put the time in. In the next month or so, 3Doodler will be selling 16 colours each of the ABS and PLA plastics to use with the pen, as well as sharing stencils of popular designs, like this amazing Eiffel Tower model. You may not be doodling parts anytime soon, but the 3Doodler looks great for fixes, decorations, and 3D visualizations and models, plus anything else you conjure up in your head that you think you can create.